can I connect my Binance API key to NexusTrade auto trading bot? And is it safe to do that using NexusTrade? Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another episode about NexusTrade. So if you are just stopping by for the first time and you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and also put on the bell notification. So this video you're about to watch is strictly for educational purpose only, not a financial advice. So I encourage you to do your own researches before implementing whatever we say in this video. So let's get started. Right here, if you have not logged into your NexusTrade, just go ahead and log into your NexusTrade. Creating an account with NexusTrade is very, very simple. So what you have to do is, first of all, click on crypto trade, which is crypto arbitrage. Look at this area here, this place that said auto trade, and this place that says connections. So when you click on connections, what it will do is going to load. Now, once it load up like this, you will see the instruction. It says requirement permission, spot read plus spot trade. This is what you should tick when you are applying for your API key. Do not enable withdrawal on the API key, or at least your server IP if your exchange support it, which is very, very important. Just to tell you that when I say that NexusTrade is not a scam website and NexusTrade is not an investment platform. So NexusTrade provides you with trading tools to make your trading easier. This is what NexusTrade is, and NexusTrade is AI intelligent decision. So right now, as you can see what the NexusTrade said about how to connect your API key. Now, what you have to do is to choose which of the API key you really want to use. Auto trade is a fastest way for a trader to execute an opportunity without the trader manually placing the order. Now, what the bot will do is to execute those trades for you without you manually doing it. Even if the app is closed, the bot will be running, scanning for opportunity and executing the opportunities. This is what the bot does. But now, let's think of how this bot really connects to your platforms. Your funds, your everything, you are in control of it. NexusTrade do not know how much you have in your account. It's only you that knows how much you have. It's only you that control your API key, and NexusTrade do not store your API key. As you can see right here, you can see it's a exchange connections, connecting your exchange account to enable live auto trading. All keys are encrypted at rest with, you see, so it's safeguard to tell you that even NexusTrade do not even know your keys because it has been hashtagged, so nobody can get up to your API keys. Now, one thing to consider when you want to use auto trade, you need to understand that there is a lot of exchanges, and arbitrage comes to different exchanges. Now you can see right here, there is Binance, there is OK, there is KuCoin, OKS, there is Get.io, there is Messi, there is BitGet, there is Kraken, there is Coinbase, there is Bybit, there is Bitfinex, there is CoinES, there is Bitmart, there is Ponanis, there is ST.com, there is Azades, Bitro, Binges, HTX, Whitebit, Lot Token, HitBTC, and there is a lot of them, as you can see right here. Now, before this auto trade can work, even if you connect your API key, it doesn't end there. Here, you copy your API key and insert here, then copy the secret API key and paste here. So here is optional. If you want to label it, you can label it anything that you want. So once you entered everything, you click on save and encrypt. That's all. It automatically connect to your exchange. But before it will work, you must have a capital funded in this Binance account. You must also have on this. You must also have on this. Here you can see the paper mode. All right. And this is the dashboard of everything, as you can see right here. So what you have to do is to scroll down before you can start using this method. You can practice for free. All right. You have to trade with 100 USDT. This 100 USDT will be on Binance. The same 100 USDT will be on OKS. It can be to any other platforms that you have. So that's why this, so that wherever place this both spot and arbitrage, this both will trade it on your behalf. All right. Now you just have to come here and choose if you want the both to trade on cross exchange, you tick. You want it to trade on multi-chain, you tick. You want it to trade on triangular arbitrage, you tick. I don't support you to do this because this has to do with a lot of fees. So the best choice I can recommend for anyone, if I am to recommend, is triangular arbitrage and cross-chain arbitrage. These two are the best that you can trade on. All right. Triangular is number one. This is number two. I know your question is that how can this be possible? How can the bot run these transfers? Everything is done by the AI. So the AI will handle it. Right now, after you choose these two, okay, now you choose the coins, the exchanges you have money on. So you can choose this, you have this, you have this. This is the only coin, this is the only exchange that the bot will be monitoring arbitrage from. So if there is any arbitrage within this area, the bot will escort the arbitrage opportunities within here. So if you are to choose only triangular arbitrage, so you have to choose, if you just have only 100 USDT, just to look for the best exchange and choose. Even if it's one, you choose. But if you choose all of them, meaning that you need to have a capital in all of these exchanges. All right. Now, after you choose those ones, now you want to filter the kind of network that the bot should avoid. Like this Ethereum network, you can see the fees here is about 4.5. All right. You can see here, Tron, you can see, he said in the next, it takes how many minutes to arrive. So you can see here. So if you don't want Ethereum, you can untick it. If you want Tron, this one, this, you can just tick them. So any arbitrage that come within these networks, the bot will trade them. But if you don't tick them, the bot will not trade on any network here. So you need to tick them. Let's say we tick all of the network. We tick all of the network because we don't avoid any network. Let the bot choose any network at all. So we can choose any of these. So this one I'm choosing right now, it doesn't make any sense because I am not connected to my API key. So this is, I'm making a video so I can't connect my API key because API key is very secret. So right now I have choose this. Then come down here and click save. Auto trade settings save. Now come here, start your bot. You click on start bot. You say connect at least one exchange before live. You can see it, meaning that to tell you that the auto trading bot is working, is dictated that I have not connected anyone yet. So what I have to do right now is to switch to paperwork. You can see this is live, so I have to switch to simulator. Now come down here and click this again. You can see auto trading started in paper mode. Now you can see it has started. All right, it has started. Now what this bot will do, you can see it. This will only escort any executable opportunity. It will not escort any raw opportunity. Let me show you what I mean by raw opportunity. Go back here. The triangular arbitrage, the bot is monitoring. It's monitoring. Once any of them have any movement of profit, the bot will trade automatically. Another way to use this bot is where you find the opportunity yourself here, you can click on this view opportunity. Then after you check the view opportunity and it's good to go, you click on live trade, or you use paper trade to simulate that opportunity. Right now, you can see that this triangular arbitrage is not profitable. Then if we go back to our auto trade, let's go back. No, no opportunity has been escorted to tell you that the auto trade is working. Had it been this auto trade has showed us that it has traded one opportunity, meaning that this auto trade is lying, because in the present time we are recording this video, there is no triangular profitable opportunity. You can see that the auto trade on this NexusTrade is actually working. Everything you see in this platform works. The aim of this platform is just to make your trade easy. So it's not an investment platform. This platform is not an investment platform. It's just an AI tools that provide opportunity and at the same time help you with tools to escort that trade easily. All right. So guys, I will stop here. In my next video, I'll be going live and I'll be explaining more on this particular auto trade, and we are going to be talking more on the auto trade, and you have to ask questions what you need to know on this auto trade. Okay, so you can see right now it's on paper trade. I will still come back in my next video and show you guys how much this paper trade have made with this 100 USDT in my next video. So guys, do well to subscribe and watch out in my live video. I'll be there to answer any question concerning NexusTrade. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.